Hello dear friends, in this video we will tell you about Nice, the jewel of the French Riviera and one of the most popular tourist destinations in France. This guide will help you plan the perfect route through the city in 2025. History, landmarks, tips and tricks, all of this in our video. Nice is a city with a rich historical heritage. Its history dates back to ancient times, when there was a Roman city here. In the Middle Ages, Nice was an important commercial and cultural center. In the 19th century, the city attracted the aristocracy, becoming a favorite resort for the European elite. In 1860, Nice became part of France, and since then, it has been known as one of the most beautiful and elegant cities on the coast. Must-see attractions. Promenade des Anglais. This is the main seafront promenade of Nice, stretching along the sea. A walk here will offer you stunning views of the French Riviera, as well as the chance to see many luxurious hotels and restaurants. Vieux Nice, Old Town, narrow streets, colorful facades, ancient markets and cafes. All of this creates a unique atmosphere. Be sure to visit Place Rossetti, where you'll find the Cathedral of Saint Reparata. Château de Nice, Castle on the Hill. Climb the hill for panoramic views of the city and the coast. There is also a beautiful park and the ruins of an old fortress. Matisse Museum. In Nice, you can visit the famous museum dedicated to artist Henri Matisse. The museum's collection includes over 100 of his works. St. Nicholas Cathedral. A magnificent Orthodox cathedral built in the Russian Byzantine style. This architectural wonder is definitely worth seeing. Marc Chagall Museum. This museum is dedicated to one of the most famous artists of the 20th century, Marc Chagall. It features his famous paintings, as well as collections related to biblical themes, which were a major source of inspiration for Chagall. If you love art, this museum is a must-visit. The best time to visit Nice is from April to October. Summer is the peak tourist season. So if you want to avoid large crowds, it's better to come at the beginning or end of the season. Nice, the compact city. And most of the attractions are located close to each other. You can easily explore the city on foot or by bike. The city also has a network of buses and trams. If you want to save on tours, plan your museum visits in advance. Many museums offer free entry on certain days of the month. Don't forget to try local dishes such as salade niçoise, pain bagnat, and the famous croissants. And be sure to buy fresh local olives and cheeses at the markets in Nice. The beaches of Nice are pebble beaches, so it's best to bring special swimming shoes or buy them locally. In the summer, be prepared for hot weather, so don't forget sunscreen and a hat. Don't miss the chance to make your trip to Nice as comfortable and enriching as possible. We've created a unique travel guide to Nice for you, which includes all the locations of the best attractions and Instagram-worthy spots in the city. But that's not all. In our guide, you'll find only the best hotels, apartments, restaurants, and cafes of 2024, from budget options to luxurious ones, so that your vacation is perfect. Save time, nerves, and money by accessing the most up-to-date recommendations that will help you avoid mistakes and make your trip to Nice truly unforgettable. Don't wait. Download our guide now through the link in the description and start planning your perfect trip. Your best vacation in Nice starts here. Click the link and become a real expert on Nice today.